This is The Brief on the key decisions made by the Deer Park City Council on November 18, 2025. So, the latest City Council meeting was all about balancing the budget with what really matters to us, right here locally. They tackled some crucial infrastructure funding and, had this really highly debated vote over who actually pays for digital transactions. First up, let's talk taxes. The property tax rate itself isn't changing. It's staying at $0.72 per $100 of valuation for the next fiscal year. But because local property values keep going up, the annual tax bill for the median homeowner is expected to nudge up a little, to about $1,431. Second, and this was a really pivotal decision, the council rejected a proposal that would have made residents pay processing fees for electronic payments. Like that roughly 2.5% fee for using a credit card on your water bill. Well, the city is going to continue to absorb that pretty substantial cost instead of passing it on to you. This means you can keep the convenience of paying city bills digitally without those extra charges. And finally, the council committed some serious funds to essential infrastructure. They authorized a big water system analysis, approved much-needed software and hardware upgrades for climate control in city buildings, and funded a new sewage pump. It's called a lift station over at the Jimmy Burke Activity Center. They also approved buying several new trucks for street maintenance and for emergency medical services. Ultimately, the council decided to absorb digital transaction costs for residents while still moving forward with essential public works improvements.